In this video, we look at the difference between Kraken and Kraken Pro. Kraken and Kraken Pro are both part of the Kraken ecosystem, one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, founded in 2011. Despite being linked, Kraken and Kraken Pro cater to different user levels, from beginners seeking simplicity to experienced traders desiring advanced tools and lower fees. Kraken's standard platform is often seen as beginner-friendly. Its straightforward design allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrency quickly, using a clean interface that minimizes complexity. This basic Kraken platform is ideal for users looking to execute simple trades without dealing with complex market data or advanced features. However, one downside is that Kraken charges higher transaction fees for instant buys, typically around 1.5% for standard cryptocurrencies and up to 3.75% for credit card purchases, which can make frequent trading costly. Moreover, the platform's reliance on market spread for fees, which fluctuates based on market conditions, can result in unpredictable charges, especially during high volatility. Kraken's accessibility also extends to its supported assets, with over 200 cryptocurrencies available for trading, including prominent coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as niche altcoins, enabling users to diversify their portfolios without moving to multiple exchanges. Kraken Pro, in contrast, is designed for active traders. It includes advanced charting features, real-time market data, and various order types, such as stop-loss and take-profit. These tools are especially beneficial for users who rely on technical analysis for trading. Kraken Pro's fee structure also provides significant savings for high-volume traders. Fees range from 0.00% to 0.26% based on the user's monthly trade volume, making it much cheaper than the standard platform. In Kraken Pro, fees decrease as trade volume increases, incentivizing frequent traders. This pricing structure appeals to advanced traders who rely on tight spreads to maximize profit margins. One drawback for beginners, however, is that Kraken Pro's interface can be overwhelming. Its charts, order books, and live updates may be challenging for newcomers accustomed to simpler interfaces, which can delay adoption for those interested in moving beyond basic trades. In terms of security, both Kraken and Kraken Pro offer strong measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and global settings locks to protect accounts. Kraken has a strong reputation for cybersecurity, having maintained a near-perfect track record in terms of avoiding breaches. However, users report mixed feedback regarding Kraken's customer support, which can be slow to resolve issues, especially during peak periods. For those new to crypto, Kraken's simplicity, ease of use, and wide asset variety make it a solid choice for initial transactions and portfolio building. Conversely, experienced traders with high volume and a need for advanced market tools will find that Kraken Pro's lower fees and data-rich platform are better suited to their needs. Ultimately, the choice between Kraken and Kraken Pro comes down to trading experience, transaction frequency, and fee sensitivity. Kraken's two-tiered approach enables users to begin with simplicity on Kraken and transition to the advanced capabilities of Kraken Pro as they gain confidence in cryptocurrency trading. In short, Kraken is tailored for entry-level accessibility, while Kraken Pro serves as a robust tool for seasoned traders seeking reduced fees and extensive data analysis. Both platforms maintain Kraken's strong reputation for security and breadth of assets, ensuring that users have reliable options at any level of crypto experience.